YouTube, we're back. Neal and Daisy are here, and they purchased 2 of Grimmspeed's limited run Grimmspeed banners. These things are so freaking sweet. They got number 10 of 50 of this blue one, and then 34 of 50 of this cool like neon one. I had recorded a video of Neal's logo, and I even talked about it in the last video for Mike's intake, but I accidentally deleted the wrong files, and I was really bummed about it. Not only are we doing these banners today, but our buddy James has a 22 WRX, and he picked up an STI wing for it. He got it painted, so we're gonna put it on, and we're also gonna be putting on another lit logo. This is probably like the 5th one that I've installed, but we're putting one on the new 2022 WRX. So this is definitely going to be an eventful video. We're doing kind of like a Friendsgiving, so there's going to be Subarus everywhere in the driveway. But we're going to go ahead and get started on Daisy's banner. She's going to be getting the blue Grimmspeed banner. Pull it, kind of like, well, it doesn't matter because this one doesn't have letters. You can just pull it.
Oh, you want me to pull the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's ready for you. We'll get your ball in a minute. I gotta bring mine down a little bit. Right there.
Oh, good, Mike? Alright. Bring it this way, son.
I'm good on mine.
I would go watch the left.
You're good.
Yeah, that was good?
Yeah. Is that good, Mike?
Yeah.
I got my card right here.
Oh. Yeah. Hold on.
You want me to do it? Or you got?
Cover it with the tape.
Oh.
Your card isn't.
Or you want here? I'll let you do that side first.
Indy, hush.
It's because of the ball underneath.
Yeah.
Mindy.
Drag it across the top like that.
Okay.
You want to cut it for us, Mike? Why'd you stop?
What?
Or do you want to cut? No, you cut. Yo, check out this banner. We have the wife cutting it. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful. Look at that. Looks pretty clean. Daisy, this would look pretty sweet.
Gotta represent super.
Even though it's like a darker blue, it's still gonna like, I say like it still goes with your teal wheels. Dan Mandy!
She's not ready for her close up yet. She's like that.
Well, I have to do, well, this is what you would have to do. Clean your car with Dawn soap. That gets rid of all the oil, grease, any polishing that's been done on your car. After you wash it, then I can clay bar it. The clay bar takes maybe 3 or 4 hours depending.
Yeah.
After that,
I mean, like
then polishing it is the part that takes the longest. Because I think there's different steps in polishing.
we had like I think 4 of them stacked up.
What are you about to do?
Unfold her car.
Wesley was suggesting that
Oh,
they
okay.
should just live. I was like, doesn't matter to me. I mean, he works.
Did Wesley help you with the last?
I just don't get why, if he was like complaining about that, why does he always like try to dip as fast as he can? No.
I'll mention that too. It's not fair that he gets wet.
I don't know.
Get away with it.
This shit looks so fucking sick.
Next, get inside. Go inside. Come on, what are you doing now?
I don't think we know. There's no green one?
No, I
You're
wish.
gonna have it.
You were trying to do green and black, right?
Yeah, but this is fine. I'm not.
His excuse for the pink is that it's supporting breast cancer.
Pink and black bar, that car.
Shut up.
Pink and black. Should I do pink and black?
Yeah. I'm actually about to take this off. I don't want this.
Neal.
What?
Leave it. Neal.
I'm getting a new one.
What's that
Why are
for?
you getting a new one?
Because they changed out. Since we're no poly now, this was 10 federal. So, and they're changing the systems.
That's what.
For the apartment complex.
Oh,
The
the other
parking.
guys' parking passes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we have to have these. They're getting strict. I have to give you your new one.
Oh man.
These are a little different from ours.
What?
So let's say, I don't know if you wanna
Drop
bring
off.
the chicken in.
Yeah,
I'll probably have Karen like push it in and then cut and it'll wrap around.
Yeah.
Nice. That's what we had.
No, you made the chicken.
Oh yeah.
I made it in my mind.
Take kudos.
There you go.
You used to work at Publix, so.
Where?
You work now?
I know, but what department?
It's customer service.
Oh, okay.
You wanna take that one back?
I'm guessing this is the alcohol part.
Yeah.
You good? Yeah, that's gonna be the. You think it's gonna be difficult or easy?
I think it's a bit easier.
Let me see one of the alcohol pens.
Say I think it looks easier. So doing it with this tint line,
Mm-hmm.
you can see
How much are, I'm good. Yeah, I'll be fine. I'm on my tent line, are you?
No.
You can come down a little bit, just a little bit, right there.
But then
I don't have, oh. Let me see. I don't know, maybe they put extra on this one. I mean, that's fine, we can do it right there. I don't know how far the window goes up. We can go up a little bit farther. I don't know if that would look weird, would it? You got it.
Mm-hmm.
You good over there? How much do you have that cut out of that? Is it right on the edge?
Right.
Just have multiple just laughing out loud like
Accidentally
Oh,
actually
dude.
in there.
Yeah, shit in my car's gas tank.
So,
Guys, we having fun.
So doing a banner install is proving it's not difficult, but it's different because the WRX and the STI, they have a weather strip that comes all the way around here. And this is just our first time ever cutting on a car that doesn't have that weather strip right here. The BRZ just has like glass and then they're stripped down inside there, but it dips off, just glass. It doesn't meet perfectly like on the WRX or the STI, but we've done a really good job. You just cut right up against the glass. The wife is doing a great job on Neal's car. Sick. Look at the install. Look how it turned out. Looks nice, beautiful. It's cut right with the glass. There's not an excess that binds over with it. Karen, you did a good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good job.
Good job.
let me drink my wine and keep
Up close, you can see like cuts look a little something, but
Oh, you're putting all, that's why you wanted you out here for. You got the steak.
yeah. You see it? It's my
Yes.
mom. She's visiting from back in Texas. It's
I
the
miss
second
my-
install
I miss my
that we've done so far. Laying
I'm
the
not from
banner.
Texas, but I love Texas.
Next is gonna be James's car, doing the spoiler
Clean.
and the lit logo.
So much to do.